On this Founders Day, I congratulate Shilpi ma'am, Zaid sir and all my dear colleagues. We started with few, but now we are many, not just in numbers, but also in talent and creativity. I wish you many more years of unparalleled success. Thank you.
Wish you all a happy business anniversary. The achievements of the organization have been the combined efforts of all the individuals and the management. Hope the team keeps going with such a talented and creative people like you. Thanks.
Hello everyone, it's been a wonderful journey altogether. I would like to congratulate Team Talent LGR for completing 8 years in this industry. Wishing us all the success for all our future endeavors.
This is Sachin Bhatia. Many congratulations to all of the team members on our anniversary. I wish more year of success ahead and proud to be a Talent LGR.
I congratulate to all the member of Team Talent LGR. Happy Foundation Anniversary.
I congratulate each and every member of Talent LGR on the Foundation Day anniversary. Thank you.
Congratulations to each one of us on our 8th Foundation Day anniversary. Wishing many more years of success and fortune to our company. Proud to be a talent.
Hi everyone. Congratulations to all Talent LGR family on 8th Foundation Day anniversary. Thank you.
Congratulations management and our team members. Wishing you many more years of success and unrivaled corporate services. Happy anniversary.
Hello everyone, today is our foundation day and I would like to congratulate each and every member of Talent LGR as we all have successfully completed 8 years in the company. A special thanks to the management also as they have provided us a platform to learn and grow. I wish many more years of success to Talent LGR and all its members. Once again, congratulations everyone.
Hello everyone, congratulations to all my colleagues, senior and junior on 8th Foundation Day. I pray that our company will grow a lot.
Congratulations to every member of Team Talent LGR on Foundation Day.
Hello everyone.
I'm Gurbachan Singh.
I'm Gurjat Singh. I'm Amrikar. I'm Kirat Kaur.
And this is Harbaz Singh. Happy Foundation Day.
Happy Foundation Day.
Happy Foundation Day.
Happy Foundation Day.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
And stay healthy.
And stay healthy.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Hello all, I would like to congratulate Talent LGR and I'm proud to be a part of it. Good luck for future.
Hey everyone, it's Abhishek Thakur here and I'm here to congratulate all of you as it's our company's foundation day today. So our company has been doing really great job since the beginning and I hope it continues forever. It's indeed a great pleasure to be a part of such an amazing organization and I wish many congratulations to our management and to all my colleagues at Talent LGR and I wish you all the very best in your future. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you very much.
Hello, Talent LGR के स्थापना दिवस के लिए बहुत
वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टैलेंट LGR। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैं टीम टैलेंट LGR का एक पार्ट हूँ जहाँ हम एम्प्लॉयज के साथ साथ एक बड़े परिवार के सदस्य
And all team members on this special day. I wish much more success and growth for our organization in the upcoming year. Happy corporate anniversary.
Hi guys, many congratulations on the occasion of the Talent LGR's Foundation Day and successfully completing 8 years. Once again, many congratulations. Bye.
Hello everyone, happy Foundation Day and congratulations to all of you.
Hello all, आप सभी को कंपनी की स्थापना दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। घर पे रहिए, सेफ रहिए। थैंक यू।
I would like to congratulate the company on its foundation day. I wish the company all the happiness and many more years of success.
Congratulations to every team member and management of Talentalgia on foundation.
Congratulations to each one of us on this Founders Day anniversary. I wish many more years of success for our company. Thank you.
Congratulations to the team Talentalgia on the foundation day. So I wish you, the team Talentalgia, grow more.
Hi everyone. Coming together is beginning. Keeping together is progress, and working together is success. Wishing you happy Foundation Day to all the family of Talentalgia. Thank you. Be safe. Stay safe.
Hello everyone. Congratulations to you on the Foundation Day of Talentalgia. It has been a wonderful journey altogether. Let's hope for the best in coming years. Thank you.
Hi all. I want to say congrats to all the members of the Talentalgia Technologies on this special occasion. Thank you.
I congratulate each and every member of Talentalgia on the foundation day.
Congratulations to all of you on this special day. I congratulate to Advait sir and Shilpi ma'am and wishes many more successful years ahead. Happy Founders Day.
Hello, and I feel very honored to be congratulating everyone in our company on this special occasion of our Foundation Day. I hope we keep making progress and make it a more special place to work in.
Hello everyone, happy Foundation Day. Congratulations to all of you. I'm happy to be part of this early.
Hello everyone, very happy Foundation Day to entire Talentalgia family.
I congratulate to all of you on this Foundation Day, and special thanks to Advait sir and Shilpi ma'am. Wishing you many more years of unparalleled success.
Foundation Day, I congratulate Shilpi ma'am and Advait sir and wish you many more years of success. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I would like to congratulate Talentalgia for completing its 8 years, and it has been a great journey so far. And especially I would like to congratulate our management who have done a wonderful work and played a vital role in the success of this company. So thank you very much. Thank you everyone who have been part of this journey. Thank you everyone.
Congratulations everyone. Congratulations on the foundation day of the company. More congratulations to Rohit sir.
Congratulations Talentalgia on this big day. It has been very wonderful journey with you and wish you all the best for upcoming years.
Hello everyone, happy Foundation Day. In this organization, good environment to work.
On the occasion of this Foundation Day, I congratulate to our entire team and wish our unity and success. Thank you.
Talentalgia Foundation Day पे सभी कलीग्स एंड टीम मेंबर्स को बहुत बहुत हार्दिक बधाई.
Hello guys, my Talentalgia family, happy Foundation Day. Congratulations to all management and my colleagues. Back to again, Talentalgia. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Ayush. Happy Foundation Day and congratulations to the management and my colleagues. Proud to be Talentalgian. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lovepreet and congrats to Team Talentalgia on the foundation.
Hello everyone. Today is a day which is a special day for all the employees of Talentalgia Technologies Private Limited. Many years ago, our directors, Shilpi ma'am, had a vision, and that vision was to create a place for each one of us to work, to have a career, to learn and to unlearn. Even Advait sir, I must congratulate you and thank you for giving us a platform, an opportunity to be in a company which makes you feel like one family. On this special occasion of our Foundation Day, I want to congratulate our management, Rohit, and all our dear team members who have made this company stand alone tall for these many years. And I also wish that we all will stand together for many, many more years of celebration of Talentalgia Technologies Private Limited. So congratulations to each one of you, and thank you once again, Shilpi ma'am, Advait sir, to have made it possible for all of us to work cohesively and professionally. Thank you so much.